Hello, in this video I'm going to show you camera tips and tricks for your Google Pixel Fold. So first, when you use the volume buttons, they are located on the right side. You can just click on the volume up or volume down and you are able to take the photos. When you click and hold one of these buttons, you are going to record the video. Next, you can also just click and hold on this shutter to enable this option, the same like with the volume buttons. You can also click on the screen to adjust the brightness level. Also, we can control the shadows, and here we can change the colors and the temperature. To reset the parameters, just click on this arrow right here and right here. If you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can do this by pinching screen with your two fingers. But also you are able to use these presets on the left side, and when you click and hold one of these presets, you will also unlock this slider and you can just zoom in or zoom out by moving this slider like that. Next, if you want to get more features, you can just click right here where we can enable, for example, camera timer between 3 or even at 10 seconds. And there's also a small notification that we can turn on the selfie camera, and right now when I show the palm of my hand, it should start counting, but it doesn't, so it looks like it's not working. Next, we can of course go to the more advanced camera settings by tapping right here, and we can, for example, get rid of the camera sound. We are also able to change the function of the volume buttons, so currently they are set up to the shutter, but you can also zoom in and zoom out with these buttons. Right here we can also change this photo resolution, and in the more modes you can find other parameters like, for example, the Google Lens, Photosphere or Panorama mode. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.